Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show how to make simple and delicious banana bread. This recipe is gluten-free and low-calorie. It's so easy to make.
The first step is to combine the dry ingredients. We need 150 grams of flour. I have a mixture of soy and green buckwheat flour. Other whole grain flours can be used. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. Sweetener optional. The bread contains a banana, so it's pretty sweet without sweetener. Stir dry ingredients. Combine 2 medium bananas and the juice of half a lemon. Grind them in puree. In another bowl, combine the resulting puree, 100 grams of yogurt and 40 grams of vegetable oil. Mix thoroughly. And we combine them with dry ingredients. Mix it up. Grease the baking dish with oil. And we put the dough. We level it. We bake in the oven for 1 to 20 minutes, depending on the height of your bread. You can check the readiness of the bread with a wooden skewer. We take out the bread from the oven and let it cool. When the bread has completely cooled down, remove it from the mold. And you can cut it. The freshest soft bread with an incredible banana flavor. It's very tasty and mushy. It goes well with any nut butter, cheese or jam. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.